Hello guys, welcome to Sense Charting. So today we'll see what happened in both the indices, Bank Nifty and Nifty 50. Starting with Bank Nifty, as you all can see on the screen. So the market has, as we discussed, the market here we can see whenever this particular trend is breaking, it has showed some decent rejection and went back to this zone and formed a hammer candle. So whenever this particular hammer is formed, so we decided that the market again will move to this resistance line and then this particular line will be tested. But today what happened, the market gave around 400 rupees gap up, and as soon as it opened gap up, it crossed that particular zone and started moving up. So once it has reached near this 48,000 level and also a huge resistance level, that since it has moved this much gap up and started moving, and it was showed some rejection and stayed sideways afterwards. And tomorrow, if at all market opens little bit above this particular line and above, at this particular resistance level, it might again tries to reach this 48,000 level. If not, if it will try to fill this particular gap that was opened, and also it might reach till 47,350 or 400 level. Coming to Nifty 50, Nifty 50 also we can see. So here these particular candle lows from 6th December to 12th December, these lows are eh, taking multiple supports, and on 13th December, whenever it tried to break this particular zone, market showed some decent bullish movement and went back into that particular zone. After that moment, the market showed huge bullishness and opened to one around 180 points gap up and also above this resistance node and make a new reached a new high of 21,182. So tomorrow, if at all it opens flat, so it will stay sideways, and if at all this 21,200 is broken out, then we can see a movement upwards. If not, then if this particular resistance level 21,200 is just a false breakout, then this particular level again will cover this particular gap and stays in this particular zone and looks for a retracement. So let's analyze them in a shorter time frame, starting with Bank Nifty. So this is the gap up that I'm talking about. So exactly at that particular level, it has opened gap up, and as soon as it opened gap up, you guys can see in this first 5 minutes candle, it showed some bullish moment, and from there it is decide moving sideways direction and kind of forming a falling wedge. So this it was taking support and it was taking resistance here and it was taking support here. So as soon as this candle gave a confirmation, so it has made this particular low it has made, and as soon as it made this low at the end of of this 5 minutes candle, the market went back again and closed here. This is an indication that good people are looking towards a bullish move, so we can enter over here and keep this low as a stop loss. So that is where we can see a good move happened at and reached to 47,800 level. So this is around 300 rupees more that happened in market, around 300 350 rupees more that happened. And from there, as soon as it reached this 48,000 level, so because of the CE selling pressure, the market started going sideways from that particular time. So this again retested this particular zone, and from there it stayed wholly sideways zone. A resistance line over here, it gave some one more entry in this particular candle, but then again it did not move much. So coming to Nifty 50, Nifty 50 also opened gap up. So this is a gap up around 180 points it has opened, and as soon as it opened, you can see. So this is a hanging man formed, and so here the market has opened and it came down. Profit got booked, and immediately it got rejection over here. So this particular green candle give confirmation that it will go up. So we can enter over here at the green candle when this day high is broken, and if we enter long position in that particular point and keeping this green candle low as a stop loss, so we can see we can achieve 1:2 in this particular trade. So after this breakout, it has moved around one more 100 points, and so it did a retesting. So both the stocks, after breaking out, giving a gap up, this this much huge gap up, the market exhausted, and from there it did not start moving much. So the whole day, after giving us some movement, the market stayed sideways, and our 1:2 ratio is achieved by day end. So this is how we need to track the chart and analyze them and enter accordingly. So thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to Sense Charting. Thank you.